Upbeat, encouraging music starts and fades slightly into the background. Hello, wonderful learners, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to completely transform your English speaking skills? If you've ever felt stuck, shy, or just can't seem to find the right words, then you are in the perfect place. Today, we are kicking off an incredible journey together, the 5-Day English Speaking Challenge. And our secret weapon, a powerful technique called shadowing. So, what exactly is shadowing? It's simple, fun, and incredibly effective. It means you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say, exactly as they say it, at the same time. Think of it like being an echo. You're not just repeating words. You're copying the rhythm, the intonation, the stress, and the emotion. It's like singing along to your favorite song, but for speaking English. This technique trains your mouth muscles, improves your pronunciation, and helps you sound more natural and fluent fast. For the next 5 days, I'm going to be your personal speaking coach. Each day, we'll focus on a different theme with new vocabulary and phrases. I'll say a sentence, and then I'll leave a short pause for you to repeat it. Don't worry about being perfect at first. The goal is progress, not perfection. Just try your best to mimic my sounds and speed. Ready to start day 1? Let's do this. Today, our theme is daily routines and small talk. These are the conversations you have every single day, so mastering them is a huge confidence booster. Let's begin. I'll say the sentence, then you repeat it after me. Let's start with a morning greeting. Good morning. How are you doing today? Pause for repetition. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Pause for repetition. I just grabbed a coffee to kickstart my morning. Pause for repetition. Do you have any big plans for the day? Pause for repetition. Excellent work. You're already sounding more natural. Now, let's move on to some common phrases you might use at work or school. Remember to copy my intonation. I'm looking forward to our meeting this afternoon. Pause for repetition. Could you please send me that file when you have a moment? Pause for repetition. I'm working on the project report right now. Pause for repetition. Let's take a quick 5-minute break. Pause for repetition. You're doing an amazing job. Can you feel your mouth getting used to these new sounds and rhythms? That's exactly what we want. Now, let's practice some evening small talk, maybe when you're catching up with a friend or family member. How was your day? Anything exciting happen? Pause for repetition. My day was pretty busy, but productive. Pause for repetition. I'm planning to just relax and watch a movie tonight. Pause for repetition. What are you thinking of having for dinner? Pause for repetition. It was really nice catching up with you. Pause for repetition. Fantastic. Now, for a slightly bigger challenge, I'm going to say 2 or 3 sentences together to create a small conversation. Listen carefully to the flow and then repeat the whole chunk. Ready? Let's go. Hi there. I haven't seen you in a while. How have you been? Pause for repetition. I've been really well, thanks. Just been busy with work. How about you? Pause for repetition. Same here. It's been a hectic week. I'm so glad it's almost the weekend. Pause for repetition. Great job. Let's try another one. This time, imagine you're making plans. Are you free this Saturday? A few of us are thinking of going for a hike. Pause for repetition. That sounds like a lot of fun. What time are you planning to go? Pause for repetition. We were thinking of meeting around 9 a.m. at the park entrance. Would that work for you? Pause for repetition. You are a natural. See, it's all about practice and getting comfortable with the flow of the language. Shadowing helps you build that muscle memory so you don't have to think so hard when you read in a real conversation. The words just start to flow. Let's do one final round for day 1. We'll combine everything. I'll speak a little faster this time, just like in a natural, casual conversation. Don't stress, just do your best to keep up. Hey, good morning. Did you manage to finish that presentation for the 10 a.m. meeting? Pause for repetition. Oh, morning. Yes, I just put the final touches on it. I'll email it to you right now. Pause for repetition. Perfect. Thanks so much. After this meeting, I'm definitely grabbing another coffee. This is going to be a long day. Pause for repetition. Tell me about it. Well, let's get through it together. Good luck in there. Pause for repetition. You too. Catch you later. Pause for repetition. Wow. That is day 1 of our 5-day speaking challenge complete. How do you feel? You should be incredibly proud of yourself for taking this step. Consistency is the key to fluency, and you've just built a strong foundation. Your homework is simple. Try to use at least one of these phrases in a real conversation today. Or you can rewatch this video and practice shadowing again. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. I am so excited to see your progress. Come back tomorrow for day 2, where we'll be tackling a brand new topic to expand your speaking skills even further. You won't want to miss it. If you found this helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, and most importantly, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the rest of our 5-day challenge. Let me know in the comments how day 1 went for you. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Keep up the amazing work, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.